Alright, so if you were looking for a reason not to get the Ohhhh HP Plus track pads, I mean, let's get this straight. If you were only thinking about your car as a track car, probably not that big of a deal, because noise on the track is probably not that big of a deal to you. However, if you daily drive this, don't even think about it. All the time, that's what it sounds like. Just squeal every here and there, and you can even open the window. You can hear squealage. Oh my god, it's so noisy. I was like, no way, there's no way it's this loud. You hear that? I'm just driving, I'm not even on the brakes. I'm not on the brakes. Oh my god.